Hey guys, what's up? So tell me showing you guys on how to get the green screen effect on TikTok. So when you guys see those videos of someone like in the background or someone has like a background picture myself while the video is going to a video. If you guys want to know how to do that, it's extremely simple. So open up the TikTok app. After you guys open up the app, go to like the create button, like you're pretty much creating a video, and then we're gonna tap on whatever. Before you make the video, you actually can tap on here on the left side. And this right here is all your effects. So you see right here all the two effects, but it might be somewhere differently for you, but you have a bunch of them. You go to Trending, you have new, you have TikTok Pits, you have community games, all this stuff down here, and right here, green screen. So this is a green screen you guys want to go to. There's multiple ones to choose from. These two right here, you have video and photo right here. So you tap on this one right here. This right here is a photo, and then one with the play button or pause button or whatever. This is the video one. You guys can tap on both of them and then tap on right here. So you can bookmark them. So you can do this for any of them, like your favorites. And then when you guys go to scroll right over, then we go to right here, the bookmarks, and that is all the bookmarks we have. So these are just the two default ones. So this one right here is the video, and this one here is video with the pause or play button, and then one without it is just for photos. So if I want to look at photo background, I can do this one right here, and then I can pretty much like have me in the video. I can also like make myself bigger or smaller, or drag myself and do whatever I want. It's good if you can like point at stuff like I'm doing right here, and when you have yourself positioned the way you want to position. Obviously this looks like crap because I'm not trying that much, but you tap on the play button and then you can pretty much record yourself with the video, and then you tap on done, the play button, and then you can pretty much, and then you could do, you could edit from there and do whatever. So I'm gonna go back and we're gonna discard this, right? And then we're gonna go to here, and then we're gonna go to the video one, and let's say I want to do I'll do my tweets videos. Okay, we'll do right here, this one.
Hey guys, what's up? So
this is one of my top tweets video I didn't release yet, which I will be. So
hey guys, what's up? So
don't take too long.
History, tweets 5 to 11.
And then we can actually record
hey guys,
me.
What's up? So top history,
and,
tweets 5 to 11.
Wow, I could edit myself while the video is going. And then we tap on here when we're done, and then we tap on here.
Hey guys, what's up? So
and you see it.
history, tweets 5 to 11.
Edit myself while the video is going. You tap post or whatever.
So top history, tweets 5 to 11.
So you have like your pretty much a video. You have both audios going at the same time, and you have me in the video, and I could be pointing and showing you stuff just like how you guys see them. That's how you guys pretty much do it. Quick, easy, and simple. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave suggestions for any videos I make or how to show you guys how to do stuff down in the comment section. Other than that, peace.